skin conditions I had was quite bad acne. I never had it as a teenager. I didn't have the typical teenage acne. It was more later on in life, so kind of around the age of 20. Really bad acne around the jawline, neck, chest, back, shoulders, everywhere where I kind of wanted to show a bit of skin. It affected my confidence because I couldn't go out with friends. I found I couldn't really go to nightclubs without, feeling like I couldn't cover it with foundation. I never really wanted to go swimming because I didn't want to show, my chest and stuff in a bikini. I tried loads of different skin vitamins on the market, so I would say it probably made it worse. With SkinQuencher, I found it massively helped. I take it every night, so it was really easy to take the tablets, you're not taking loads throughout the day. And I found that it really helped with clearing up the acne around my face. After 2 weeks, I noticed a big difference. Elasticity in my skin was more plumper, I looked more radiant, more glowy. My confidence now is amazing, and I absolutely love them.